What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It is Jayla Joy here. If you're new here, hey girl, my name is Jayla. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today is Thursday. I have the day off. I just got back from the gym. Your girl got her hair done yesterday, so she wasn't doing too much at the gym this morning. I just kind of did a upper body workout, but I tried not to sweat. So when I felt like I was starting to break out a little sweat, I had to take a break because we need to make this hair last, and it's actually like really bone straight and I need it to last. But anyways, yesterday I did some hygiene shopping, so I want to show you guys some things that I got. I'm trying to like switch up my shower routine. Like I still switch between two body wash and I have a scrub that I use already, but I just want to try some new things, and summer is coming up, so my skin needs to be on point. All right, and y'all, I look so bare. Like my lashes, they need to be done. So we got Tjmax, Target, y'all. My tripod is like broke or something. I'm kind of upset because I haven't had that tripod. I literally got that tripod since Christmas, and now it's like, so when I put it on, it's like it's loose. Like I can't stick y'all up, so I'm on like, I put y'all on a roll of paper towel. I hope it don't fall. Tjmax wasn't planned. I really should have not went here, but you know, I was just looking, which never ends up staying at just looking. But anyways, I got this plush headband. This is basically like whenever I'm doing my makeup or washing my face, maybe doing some skincare, a mask, this kind of just makes it so your hair is out your face. And I really like that because a lot of times I be getting my edges wet, and I'm trying to prevent that. So this is more so like hair stuff. It's only two other things. So I got this Biotin Pro Growth Hair Mask. It's a strengthening formula with biotin deeply repairs while promoting healthy hair growth. So this is how it looks. I looked up this brand. It's sold on Amazon and it has really good reviews, so we're gonna see what it's talking about. I'm trying to get some inches on me, okay? Like, if I could get some inches on me, baby, you will never catch me wearing bundles ever. So okay, then I also got this like smooth, it's called a smooth attitude. It's a amending and hydrating hair milk. So it's like hair milk. I didn't smell this. I should have smelled it. Oh, it smells cool. It's by Taraji, the brand, whatever brand she has. This is how it looks. So basically, I was trying to get something like when I want to do like my slick backs and stuff. I was trying to get something that I could put on the ends, because my ends tend to get dry when I use a lot of gel. So I wanted something I could put on my like hair before I go using gel, which I'm trying to revert back to not using gel. I need to be using edge control, but whenever I want to pull my hair back, I need to like moisturize it more so that it won't break off or anything. I also got this Navina body cream. I ran out of my Fenty body cream and I like the smell of Avena. I am gonna get some more Fenty body cream, body butter, but just not right now. Whenever I decide to make it to Sephora, we will do that. Okay, then from Target, I got some, I think it's called the Boro charcoal deeply pore mask. I needed some more of those because your girl, okay, it's got some blackheads right here. You probably can't see them, but I got some blackheads right here. I need to get rid of them. I didn't even know that was a thing. Then I got me another scrub. So currently I use the Skin Fix renewing scrub, but I'm like trying to, I want to like make this last, so I'm not going to use this all over my body. So I bought this Dove exfoliating body polish. Hopefully this doesn't like irritate my skin, but it smells. And I tried one of the Dove's body scrub, and when I tell you it's a scrub, like don't use too much because it hurts if you start like scrubbing super hard. But it smells so good. Oh, this is how it looks, by the way. I read up on the Invena in shower body lotion. This is basically like a body conditioner. After you wash your body, you put this on, you rub it all over, and then you rinse it off, and it basically kind of like gives your body, locks in the moisture, gives your body more of a hydrating surface, I guess you would say. So I need to book myself a wax. It's getting about that time to book me a wax, but I do shave my legs and my underarms. But anyways, oh, and I'm trying to get speaking of that, with the Dove scrub, I'm trying to get rid of like the little strawberry leg look, so hopefully that helps. But yeah, that's what's been up with me. I'm about to shower and enjoy these new products, so I will check in with y'all. And so note to self and to anybody that uses these, don't wear them while you take a shower, because why do I have all this access on me? Now I gotta like really scrub my face. Yeah, don't use these in the shower, because all that mist, and yeah, I guess all that mist kind of makes the strip stick more to your skin or something. So this is how the face is looking. I did my little slick back special. I really just went for a natural look, and I put on some, I put a little bit of eyeshadow on. So this is what it's giving. I think I look cute. I got Fenty Butter Gloss in the color Sweet Mouth on the lips. Now we need to pick a fragrance. This is how I think I am. I haven't sprayed her at all. This is how she looks. So I'm in the downstairs bathroom. There's a little bit better lighting down here. So I have this cropped shirt on, and it has like this fuzzy fun detail at the bottom, and it's a long sleeve crop top. This black jean jacket with some mom jeans. Whole outfit, Fashion Nova. Oh, and then I got these sandals on, and if it calls for being dressed up, I got these black heels I can wear. So yeah. Oh, shoes are from Forever 21. But yeah, y'all, this is the look. What's up, y'all? So today is Sunday, and yesterday I had so much fun with my sister Bria. We ended up going to this club, and then we went to 13 Coins to get a quick bite to eat. So that was cool, and I got home around 3. So now we're up. It's like 12. It's like 12. I showered, and now we're about to cook some dinner. I'm about to cook some dinner for my boyfriend. So I'm trying to get it out the way because I gotta be somewhere by 3. Okay. So if you can't tell already, we are making mac and cheese. So I got the cheeses right here, heavy whipping cream, butter, eggs, the noodles, milk, and yeah. So we're gonna make that. I probably am missing a couple things. I gotta look at the recipe, whatever. And then we're gonna make some baked beans. I've never made mac and cheese before, so anyways, I made baked beans before. This is gonna be pretty easy. We got the beans, ketchup, mustard, barbecue sauce, brown sugar, onion, and garlic. And then we'll make me some wings. I plan on making honey barbecue wings, so we got the honey here. Barbecue sauce is over there, flour, seasoning. So yeah, and then I'm also gonna make some corn on the cob for like a vegetable. I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. I might show you a little snippet of what I'm doing, but I'm kind of on a time crunch, so I gotta hurry up. So yeah, I forgot the ground beef for the baked beans. Okay, so I'm done coating the chicken. Here's the flour. So I added 1 cup of flour, and then a teaspoon of chili powder, garlic powder, paprika, pepper, and some salt. So I'm gonna bake this for like 20-30 minutes, and then I'm gonna soak it with some barbecue sauce. So I'm done boiling the macaroni noodles, and I still got the, oh Lord, I still got the wings in there. All right, y'all, so we are back. Let me show y'all the finished look. So we have the baked beans and barbecue wings. Ooh, these look so good. The mac and cheese. And then I just made this out of corn. I did not feel like boiling those. Corn on the cob, butter, all that. No. So, this is what we got. I'm about to make me a plate. And I'll probably make my boyfriend a plate, but he's not going to be here for a while, and I'm going to make my grandma a plate. So, I'm about to grub, and I'll check in with y'all later, I guess.